Introducing the Taskmaster 16-inch 14-ply radial trailer tire, the perfect tire for hauling in every season. With its robust construction and steel-belted radial design, this tire is engineered to handle medium-duty loads on the highway and off-road use. The tire's innovative design ensures a smooth and stable ride. This tire is 14-ply with a load range of G, with a capacity of 4,400 pounds as a single tire and wheel and 3,860 pounds dual. Providing enhanced strength, improved puncture resistance, and increased towing stability, this tire is backed by Taskmaster's promised warranty. These tires are built to last. Upgrade your trailer with a Taskmaster 16-inch 14-ply radial trailer tire. It's in stock and ready to ship. When you order from the Trailer Parts Outlet, you get the peace of mind that comes with working with a company that truly cares about your success. Our team of dedicated experts is committed to delivering the solutions you need faster than anyone else so you can get back to doing what you do best. We make it easy to find and order the highest quality trailer parts and accessories with a user-friendly website, knowledgeable staff, free shipping, and lightning fast delivery. You can have confidence in every purchase you make, so why wait?